Let's make a creamy truffle pasta using an instant soup mix. Let's prep the ingredients first. Dice half of a medium-sized white onion. Using a garlic press, mince 2 cloves of garlic. You can also mince the garlic using a knife. Then, drain and mince 1 pouch of button mushrooms. We are ready to cook the pasta. Salt water in a pot and let it boil. When the water is boiling, add pasta and cook until al dente. When the pasta is cooked, save some pasta water, drain the pasta, and then set aside. In a separate pot, cook a small pack of instant cream of mushroom soup. Cook according to instructions, then set aside when done. In a pan, brown the mushrooms in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then add the diced onion and saute for 2 minutes. Then add the minced garlic and saute until fragrant. Add the cooked soup and mix. Add 1 all-purpose cream and mix. And then season to taste. Grate Parmesan cheese or regular cheese and mix until melted. Then drizzle truffle oil and stir until well combined. You don't need a lot of truffle oil because if you put too much, it can overpower the sauce. When you have balanced all the flavors, add the cooked pasta and mix well. Stir until the pasta is well coated with the sauce. If it thickens, just add pasta water. It's time to plate. Top with more grated cheese and enjoy.